Hello guys. I'm showing you most in-depth Magnum review and demo. Magnum is the world's best one-click, automated store builder. It comes with beautiful pre-built, done-for-you, stores in the hottest online niches, ready to get you result today. Magnum is going to allow you to create e-commerce stores, so it's a very similar to online cloud-based software. It's very similar to Shopify. The only difference is that Magnum is not a monthly fee, it's only a one-time fee. Also lets you send traffic to the stores from 99 traffic sources, in as little as 30 seconds directly from within the app. And now you're just 3 steps away. Step number 1. Purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step number 2. Select, log in and select from pre-built, done-for-you store. Step number 3. Activate, click go. To blast your store to 99 sources for free buyer traffic in 30 seconds or less. With the help of my bonus link in the description box, you get free 5 bonuses worth $3,185. What are you waiting for? Try it today and you'll also get the following bonus below. Click the button below to the description box. Visit the official website to learn more or to make your purchase and get exclusive bonuses. One-click software builds you an automated store and drives free buyer traffic to it in 30 seconds. Newbies are already getting results, now it's your turn. 100% automated store. Fuel it with traffic from 99 sources. No hosting and no domains needed. Attain financial peace of mind. No tech skills needed. Quit your job, travel and become free. 90-day money-back guarantee. Plus, get results or get paid $100. Free autoresponder included. Online shopping, before COVID-19 was already a huge industry. But now it's literally blowing up. The revenue has gone through the roof. According to statistics, internet usage is up by 70%, sales online increased by 32%, with more than $800 billion in revenue. It's a massive opportunity. Not to mention I also had my best year thanks to the thousands of people flocking online. And you could too, so listen up. Grab Magnum now to save $80, usually $97 per month. Today only one time $17. Magnum Introducing. The world's best automated store builder. But you might be thinking, what about traffic? You're dead without traffic, but you already know that. But don't worry. Magnum have got you covered. And they come to you with a complete solution. Our new software lets you blast your store to 99 different traffic sources, 99 traffic sources that contain buyers. So not only do they give you the done-for-you stores, but we also give you the traffic to go with it. Everything you could possibly need to succeed online. Beautiful, done-for-you stores in the hottest niches. Our new app lets you build your own store from scratch, but that's not all. It also lets you activate ready-to-go stores. Beautiful stores that we've custom built for you. In the hottest niches. Niches like crypto, Amazon and ClickBank. So you simply log in, select a done-for-you store and you're good to go. Grab Magnum now to save $80, usually $97 per month. Today only one time $17. Click the button below to the description box, visit the official website. To learn more or to make your purchase and get exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching this video. Visit the official website, check the link in description box and get exclusive bonuses. Please like, share and subscribe.